I never wanted to live in a matchbox. So open spaces, big house, I've got a small baby and a puppy. We wanted a big area to move around freely and comfortably. Yeah, hi, my name is Anita and I am 48 years old and I'm working as a services sales personnel in a company called HP. This is a 3-bedroom duplex house, close to 2000 square feet. There is a very big living area and there is a small adjacent area which we have converted into a bar. We've got open kitchen and then we've got a washroom. On the right side we've got one bedroom and a small balcony. On the left side there is another bedroom. Because this is a duplex house, we've got the staircases which leads to another open space which is our TV lounge, and then we've got master bedroom come attached toilet. To be honest, there was no particular theme in terms of modern with a lot of greenery in the house. In the living area, we always wanted to have a feature wall. I don't like TV to be put in the living area because it's a big nuisance, We wanted people to be comfortable, cozy and talking to each other. That's why we've separate TV lounge upstairs. So I requested ID that I don't want a closed kitchen. We do a lot of Indian cooking, and Indian cooking you have a lot of spices, So we wanted to have a kitchen where the moment we close the door, the smell doesn't go out, and at the very same time people can see outside the kitchen what is happening. We have the stair which leads us to open TV lounge, which was not there previously. We had everything, and then ID helped us to make a wall which divides the master bedroom and the TV lounge area. So behind the master bed head you have a wall-to-wall feature wall with bedside lights and 2 very beautiful bedside tables done by ID carpenter. It is wonderful. Because I am a Hindu, my requirement is give me a nice temple. My bedroom there is a small covered balcony, so we've put the temple out there. A home without family is not complete. So I see my home as a complete home with my husband, my son, my daughter. Be very comfortable, very warm and have fun in the house. My family should be happy. For me, is a wonderful and a beautiful house.